Guys, so this is my first truck. 1998 Chevy S10. Sorry, not 98. 1993 Chevy S10. Extended cab. Bought it for $2,000. It's got a V6 4.3 liter. Still carbureted. It's got a nice interior. 98,000 miles on it. Sounds decent. It's mostly factory. Well, yeah, it is mostly factory. The only thing that's got added on to it is bed capper and that, as you can tell. Only a year-old set of tires on it. Very little rust on it. But it sounds awesome. I'll start it up for you guys right now. Not right now, but in a second here. Just gotta set you guys down so that way the phone will pick it up. What'd you guys think? Sound good? Still got factory exhaust, but plan on putting either a straight pipe on it or a glass pack. So, I guess this will kind of be an update. See you guys later. Peace.